cold. My nipples
Okay,
getting
let's go, let's go. Oh, so hot. And the day that we have dinner together is like so hot.
It was so hot, yeah.
So
It
hot.
was so hot. And it was spicy.
Spicy?
Yeah, and I mean, the food was spicy, so I was feeling more hot. But today, you see,
yeah.
my nipples getting hard in this winter.
Oh, did you say this to your audience as well?
No, I'm just expressing like how cold it is today.
Okay.
It's just expression.
Yes.
But I need to order coffee first. I didn't take shower with shampoo because whenever I take shower with shampoo, it takes my hair to dry very long. And it's cold. If I don't dry my hair, I'm gonna get sick.
So cold.
You know, after that video, a lot of my subscribers were saying to make something for you guys.
Oh,
Yeah,
Indian menu.
Yeah,
Indian
menu,
food
yeah,
menu.
Yeah. But then यहाँ पे पनीर नहीं मिलता है तो I'll make something else. The पनीर मेरी favorite सब्जी है. Like,
You can like create whatever you want to do for us.
yeah.
Yeah, I like the creativity.
Yeah, of course. Do you like the curry?
Yes, we have curry at
A Thai curry?
Thai
Yeah,
school.
I like it.
But-
I tried actually.
It is different, like Indian curry and what I have been
It's totally
in
different.
Thailand.
It's
Yeah,
totally different.
It's
Yeah.
totally different.
It's totally different.
Yeah.
When I tried Thai curry, it's like,
Yeah.
was-
It's not the same.
it's totally not the same.
So, but I try at Indian restaurant and it's good. Like,
Oh.
but you need the roti to dip the, you know.
Exactly. Yeah. Only the rice. It's really cold. What's it?
I don't know.
It's Thai meal. Oh.
Hi, Nia.
You don't have
The real bike. Yep, because my dad taught me to ride a bike when I was like really young.
which bike? A normal bike or super bike?
Normal bike,
Oh.
not a super bike. Super bike is like tall, so tall.
No. So no, super bike is like high CC with high engine.
Oh.
Yeah.
No, my dad will not allow me to ride that because you know a lot of accidents happen
In Thailand?
in Thailand. The road is
Is it like China?
yeah. It's like that, but it's
But
easily
the
slip.
Chinese roads are very nice.
Oh, it's like this.
Oh, you mean the slippery one?
Yeah, the slip.
Oh, we have manholes here.
So that's why
Have you been here?
up there. I've been up there. It's beautiful though.
Yeah, it's really
The leaf is like changed the colors.
Yeah, I went during the spring festival.
Oh yeah.
When you went back to your home.
I don't know yet.
That time the color of these trees was
Yeah.
red.
Okay.